Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now students, we are starting our exercise 9.1, and in 9.1 our first question is, in the right angle triangle not drawn to the scale, measurements in centimeters of two of the sides are indicated in the figure. Find the value of x in each case. Two sides are given to you in each figure. You have to find the third one, and the third one is represented by x. Clear? Now look at the figure. This is a triangle and a right triangle having one angle equal to 90 degree. Now you have to find the one side which is not given to you, and according to your given figure, the right side, the side which you have to find as x, and this side, this is your height according to your figure. Now by using the Pythagoras theorem, and the Pythagoras theorem is height square is equal to base square plus altitude square. According to your given figure, this is the height, this is your base, and this is the altitude. Is it clear? Now putting the value in the place of height we put x, in the place of base we put 5, and in the place of altitude we put 12. Now by putting the value you have to take the square. X square is equal to 5 square is equal to 25, and 12 square is equal to 144. Now add up them. The answer becomes 169. Now taking square root, because we want to the answer in the form of x, but here the answer is in the form of x square, so we should remove this square. By for removing this square we will taking the square root, then square and square root will be cancelled, and the 169 square root is equal to 13. How can find the square root? By using the calculator. First of all, you should on the calculator. Now this is the sign of square root and the value 169, then equal, this is the answer. Clear? Now look at the second part. Yes students, in this part you can see that this is the altitude, this one, this is the base which is the adjacent side to the 90 degree. Clear? And the largest side or the longer side, this is the altitude, and this side is the height. Now again by using Pythagoras, yes, now according to this, the height is 13. Here is the height, this is the base, and this is the altitude. 169, 25, x square. Now 169, here the sign is plus. When you have to take on the other side of the equality, the sign becomes change and the sign become minus. Then you subtract, the answer becomes 144. Again the square sign is here. You have to find the single value of x. Now taking x. Now you can write it like this: x is equal to 12, and as they told you in the question that all the length in centimeter, so you can put the centimeter here. Now these are some questions. You have to do the practice of these questions, same as that which you solve the two parts. उसी तरह से इनको आप सॉल्व करेंगे, इनकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. नाउ यू हैव टू लर्न कि आपको इनकी समझ आ गई है या नहीं. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? Now look at the question number 2, and the question number 2, in an isosceles right angle triangle, the square of height is 98 centimeter square. Find the length of the congruent sides. According to this, the height which is given to you, the value of height which is equal to 98 square, means the square of the height is given to you. Clear? Now base and altitude is not given to you. Both of they becomes x. Clear? Same as that by using Pythagoras theorem. Height square is equal to base square plus altitude. In the place of height you have to put height square is equal to 88. You don't put the square here, because here is the square of height is given to you. Look at the statement again. The square of height is 98. So it is 98 centimeter square and it is a square of height. So put 98 just now. X square plus x square. 98 is equal to x square plus x square, which is equal to 2x square. Now 98 divided by 2 is equal to x square, which becomes 49 x square. Now by taking square root, 49 square root is equal to x square root, which is cancelled, and 7 centimeter becomes the answer. You can write like this: x is equal to 7 centimeter. Clear? In this question, this is the main step, that height square is given to 98 centimeter. You don't put the square here again. अगर आप दोबारा इस पे square put कर देंगे तो आपका question totally cross हो जाएगा, because this is the height square is given to you and it is 98 centimeter. Clear? Yes, students, now look at this question, and the question is: a ladder 10 meter long is made to rest against a wall. It's lower and touches to the ground at the distance of 6 meter. You are looking at the figure of this question. A ladder which is in this form, ऐसे ही लगी होती है सीढ़ी. उसके बाद वो क्या कह रहे हैं कि इसका लोअर एंड जो टच कर रहा है वॉल को, वो लोअर कितना है 6 मीटर, एंड व्हाट हाइट अबव द, और उसकी हाइट क्या है ये आपने हाइट बतानी है. ये 10 मीटर है, ये 6 मीटर है. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड द altitude here by using the Pythagoras theorem. You can solve it. And in this question they are saying that in triangle ABC, right angle at point C, measure BC 2.1 centimeter, AC 7.2 centimeter. What is the length of A? Figure ABC is a triangle. AB you have to find, it is X. AC is 7.2 and this is 2.1, and this is the right angle which is 90 degree. Clear? You have to solve these two questions by yourself. Now in next lecture I will introduce the next question. Clear, students? Hope आप सबको समझ आ गई होगी.